Okay, Marco, real talk. Is expensive wine actually better, or are we all just being played?
That is genuinely one of the best questions in food science, and the answer will surprise you. It starts in the vineyard. Expensive wine comes from grapes that are essentially stressed out,
Stressed. The grapes are stressed.
grown in rocky, poor soil where the vine has to fight to survive. That struggle produces fewer grapes, but each one is incredibly concentrated with flavor compounds called polyphenols and terpenes.
So suffering makes better wine. Noted.
Then comes aging. Cheap wine is made fast, sometimes weeks. Expensive wine spends years in oak barrels that slowly introduce oxygen and a compound called vanillin,
Wait, vanillin. Like vanilla.
exactly like vanilla. It's what gives aged wine that smooth, complex finish that's hard to describe but impossible to forget.
So every extra month in the barrel costs money.
And that cost goes directly into the bottle you're holding.
Okay, but here's what I read. Stanford actually did a study where people thought cheap wine tasted better when they were told it was expensive. So isn't it just in our heads?
Partly, yes. Your brain releases more dopamine when it expects quality. Price literally changes your physical experience of taste.
So price is basically an ingredient.
Now you're thinking like a sommelier.
So the verdict is expensive wine worth it?
Sometimes the science says yes. Sometimes your brain is just doing the work for you.
Either way, now you know what's actually in the glass.
Welcome to Cork and Culture. We'll see you next week.